Welcome to the next frontier of forestry, where groundbreaking technology meets extraordinary engineering to redefine the way we work with nature. As industries advance globally, forestry is keeping pace with revolutionary machines that are reshaping the future of the field. From precision tree cutting to powerful log handling, these innovations are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, boosting efficiency, safety, and sustainability like never before. Get ready to dive into the world of forestry's most impressive machinery and witness how these game-changing technologies are transforming the industry, one tree at a time. Precision tree cutting. The chainsaw master at work. Forestry begins with the felling of trees, a task requiring precision and skill. Picture a professional logger with a chainsaw in hand, strategically cutting through a giant pine tree. Every movement is calculated, and each cut is made with absolute precision. You can feel the tension in the air as the tree leans in the right direction before crashing to the ground exactly as planned. This moment highlights the importance of skilled workers and advanced tools in modern forestry. Hull Oaks, a living legacy of American history. Hull Oaks Lumber Company, once powered by steam, is a symbol of American industrial heritage. Over time, it transitioned to electricity, but it still relies on rare and hard-to-find parts, preserving the craftsmanship of generations. The enduring legacy of this mill reminds us of the evolution of machinery and its importance in maintaining the traditions of forestry. The Bandit 1990 XP, conquering barber chair trees. One of the most dangerous aspects of tree felling is dealing with barber chairs, trees that split vertically during cutting, putting loggers at risk. Enter the Bandit 1990 XP, a powerful machine designed to shred massive trees into chips effortlessly. Like a tornado, this machine rips through wood, reducing the dangers associated with barber chairs and making logging more efficient and safe. Timberwolf Alpha 6, dominating productivity. The Timberwolf Alpha 6 is a game-changer in forestry, empowering workers to conquer challenges with ease. Its high-performance cutting system slices through wood effortlessly, turning what was once hard labor into a simple task. For those looking to boost productivity without compromising quality, the Alpha 6 is the perfect partner in the field. Stump Boss LTD, the modern-day champion of stump grinding. Stump grinding has come a long way from the traditional methods of the past. The Stump Boss LTD, with its custom chipping heads, tears through hardwood stumps like a hot knife through butter. It's not just a tool for grinding stumps, it's a modern champion, turning difficult tasks into a show of efficiency and power. From logs to lumber, the art of wood processing. Ever wondered where the hardwood flooring in your home comes from? The process begins with these incredible machines that turn rough logs into smooth, high-quality lumber. Skilled workers and advanced equipment come together to transform raw timber into the materials that build our homes, showcasing the artistry and innovation behind modern forestry. ZIL 131, the battle between machine and nature. The ZIL 131 truck is legendary in the world of forestry, known for its ability to handle heavy payloads and challenging terrain. However, even this workhorse meets its match when nature pushes back. Watching the ZIL 131 strain under its load is a reminder of the constant battle between machine and nature, with breathtaking outcomes that highlight the importance of resilience in forestry. Hitachi's ZX200, maximizing output with minimal resources. This stands out in the forestry industry by maximizing output while using minimal resources, making it both cost-effective and environmentally friendly. Equipped with a powerful ripper tooth attachment, the ZX200 excels at breaking through tough terrain and handling large volumes of material with ease. Its fuel-efficient design ensures that operators can get more done without the heavy fuel costs, offering a competitive edge for forestry operations. Combining innovation and efficiency, the Hitachi ZX200 proves that effective resource management and high performance can go hand in hand, making it a top choice for modern forestry tasks. HM130 Max Sawmill, precision wood cutting at its best. The HM130 Max Sawmill delivers unmatched precision in wood cutting, making it a standout tool for transforming raw timber into high-quality lumber. Designed to handle large logs, such as gorgeous red oak, this sawmill ensures every cut is smooth and accurate, whether for stair treads, flooring, or other fine woodworking projects. Its robust design allows for effortless handling of heavy timber while maintaining the precision required for professional-grade results. Lear LRS545 Log Handler. Heavy lifting made easy. This log handler is a heavy lifting powerhouse designed to tackle the toughest forestry tasks with ease. Boasting a 30-ton lifting capacity and an 8-meter telescopic boom, this machine makes stacking and moving massive logs look effortless. Its advanced engineering ensures smooth operation and minimal downtime, while its robust design provides the durability needed for demanding environments. With its combination of strength, precision, and efficiency, the Lear LRS545 streamlines log handling, making it an essential tool for maximizing productivity in large-scale forestry operations. Newa Triple 5C, unleashing power in the forest. The Newa Triple 5C is a force to be reckoned with in the forestry world, unleashing incredible power and efficiency in even the toughest environments. Its robust saw system, combined with intelligent control features, allows for seamless operation, whether cutting through dense forests or handling heavy timber. Designed for maximum productivity, the Newa Triple 5C balances strength and precision, ensuring each task is completed with minimal effort and optimal results. This machine redefines what it means to harness power in forestry, making it a go-to choice for large-scale operations that require both performance and reliability. TAT D6 RXL and KG blade, clearing the way with power. The Caterpillar D6 RXEL, paired with the formidable KG blade, is the ultimate combination for clearing stubborn obstacles in forestry. This powerful duo effortlessly transforms tough stumps into splinters, proving its unmatched capability in land clearing. Designed for heavy-duty tasks, the D6 RXEL offers exceptional power and precision, while the KG blade's robust structure ensures no tree or stump stands in its way. Together, they tackle challenging terrain with ease, making light work of dense forestry environments and proving that with the right equipment, no obstacle is too tough to conquer. TMK400, the marvel of tree cutting. The TMK400 is a marvel of modern tree cutting technology, designed to handle trees up to 400 millimeters in diameter with ease. Equipped with a versatile 4-in-1 hydraulic system, this machine excels at cutting, trimming, and collecting branches, making forestry tasks more efficient and manageable. Its turbo cylinder boosts performance by 15%, turning even the toughest jobs into smooth operations. Whether you're tackling dense forests or managing large-scale logging projects, the TMK400 offers precision and power, setting a new standard in tree cutting and forestry management. Volvo FH540, the powerhouse on the road. The Volvo FH540 is a true powerhouse on the road, combining bold design with cutting-edge features to handle even the toughest forestry tasks. With its intelligent steering and advanced engine options, this truck delivers both performance and efficiency, whether navigating logging trails or covering long hauls. The FH540's robust build ensures it can handle heavy loads, while its smooth handling and precision make it an ideal choice for demanding operations. Its versatility and reliability make it a standout in the world of forestry logistics, offering the perfect balance between power and control. That's all for today's video. If you're as fascinated by these incredible machines as we are, be sure to stay tuned for more insights into the world of forestry giants. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our newsletter for the latest updates on cutting-edge technology in forestry.